Multiplex Drone Private Limited, a subsidiary of Multiplex Group of Companies, has been engaged in drone manufacturing, drone pilot training and agricultural drone spray services in India for a couple of years now. Our state-of-the-art drone manufacturing unit and the DGCA-approved remote pilot training organization based in Bangalore has facilities ahead of demand. We are proud to announce that in the recent past we took part in Government of India's Viksit Bharat Sankalpa Yatra along with IFFCO to demonstrate agriculture drone spray in Uttar Pradesh. We have deputed well-trained DGCA-certified drone pilots and extension educators along with 150 world-class DGCA-approved agricultural spraying drones to educate farmers about the use of drones for spraying nano liquid fertilizers and precision farming. We have covered close to 23,000 acres in 50 districts of Uttar Pradesh in just 63 days, starting from November 24, 2023, and created awareness amongst not less than 5 lakh farmers on agricultural spraying drones and precision farming in this remarkable journey. Our expert drone pilots have created a record by conducting 12 demonstrations in a single day. Usually it will be 3 to 4 demos per day on a regular basis. In the process, lakhs of farmers, general public, bureaucrats, agri-scientists and top leaders witnessed our drone demonstrations. In Varanasi, none other than the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, visited us and appreciated our work. In this 2 months of journey, Shri Daya Shankar Mishra, Minister of State, Independent Charge, Shri Ravi Shankar Shukla, MP Gorakhpur, Shri Neeraj Shekhar, MP Balia are amongst the senior leaders visited and greeted us for supporting Viksit Bharat Sankalpa Yatra. M-Drone for end-to-end drone technology services and precision agriculture.